How to use Geico auto insurance as a properly beginner mistakes that cost you. Geico is famous for affordable car insurance, but many drivers make mistakes that could leave them underprotected or paying more than necessary. Most people assume cheap coverage is enough, but the surprising truth is that low rates often hide gaps in protection. A common mistake is skipping full coverage on your vehicle. Liability-only policies meet minimum state requirements, but they won't cover your own car if it's damaged in an accident. Consider adding collision and comprehensive coverage, especially for newer vehicles, to avoid out-of-pocket repairs. Another error is misunderstanding deductibles. Choosing a very low deductible increases your monthly premium, while a high deductible saves money, but can be a financial shock if an accident occurs. Balance your deductible with your savings and risk tolerance. Many policyholders forget to update their information. Adding a teen driver, moving to a new zip code, or buying a new car can affect premiums and coverage. Failure to update your Geico policy can lead to denied claims or gaps in protection. Ignoring discounts is another costly mistake. Geico offers discounts for safe driving, bundling auto with home insurance, defensive driving courses, and even having certain safety features in your car. Missing these opportunities can cost you hundreds annually. Finally, not understanding the claims process can create delays. Always document damage, report promptly, and communicate clearly with your claims representative. Incomplete or delayed information can reduce your payout. By avoiding these mistakes, you can maximize your Geico auto insurance. Choose proper coverage, select the right deductible, update your policy when needed, use available discounts, and know your claims process. This ensures your insurance works effectively, keeping you protected on every drive.